Have you ever wondered why doctors rarely recommend natural remedies, even though they've been trusted for centuries? There's a disconnect between traditional wisdom and modern medicine, often because natural compounds can't be patented or profited from. Pharmaceutical companies focus on what's profitable, not always what's most effective or accessible. But that doesn't mean natural options aren't powerful. Today, we'll bridge the gap and reveal 5 science-backed natural medicines you can use safely. We'll explore the research, how these remedies work in your body, and practical ways to add them to your life. Let's get started. Number 1, garlic. Used for thousands of years, garlic is more than folklore. Modern science confirms its power. The secret is allicin, released when garlic is crushed or chopped, giving it potent antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Garlic boosts your immune system, helping white blood cells fight off illness and potentially shortening colds. It also supports heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, similar to some medications but naturally. Studies show garlic can even help fight antibiotic-resistant bacteria, making it a valuable ally as antibiotic resistance rises. To maximize benefits, crush or chop garlic and let it sit before cooking. Add it at the end to preserve allicin. If you dislike the taste, try odorless aged garlic supplements. Many studies use these. Garlic is safe for most, but high doses can thin blood, so consult your doctor if you're on blood thinners or have surgery planned. The best part, garlic is cheap, accessible, and easy to add to meals. Just toss an extra clove into your favorite dishes. For the price of a head of garlic, you get an immune booster, heart protector, and anti-inflammatory agent. It's a perfect example of food as medicine. Sometimes the most powerful remedies are right in your kitchen. Number 2, turmeric. This golden spice, a staple in traditional medicine, owes its power to curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Chronic inflammation drives many diseases, from heart disease to Alzheimer's. Curcumin helps block the molecular triggers of inflammation, rivaling some drugs without the side effects. It's especially helpful for joint pain and arthritis, with many reporting less pain and better mobility. Curcumin also neutralizes free radicals and boosts your body's own antioxidant defenses, protecting your cells from damage. Early research suggests curcumin may slow cancer growth and spread, making it a promising complementary therapy. But there's a catch. Turmeric contains only about 3% curcumin, and your body absorbs it poorly. The solution? Combine turmeric with black pepper. Piperine in pepper boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Curcumin is also fat-soluble, so cook it with healthy fats like coconut or olive oil. Try a golden milk latte with turmeric, black pepper, and plant milk for a delicious daily dose. For stronger effects, look for supplements with curcumin and piperine. Whether you add it to food or take a supplement, turmeric is a simple, science-backed way to fight inflammation and protect your health. Number 3, green tea. More than a soothing drink, green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, especially EGCG, a powerful protector against cell damage. Green tea's antioxidants help shield your brain from aging and may lower the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It's also a gentle stimulant, less caffeine than coffee, but enough to boost focus without jitters. The real magic is in L-theanine, an amino acid that calms anxiety and sharpens concentration when combined with caffeine. Green tea can also boost metabolism and fat burning, making it a favorite for weight management. For best results, use high-quality, organic, loose-leaf tea or reputable tea bags, and avoid boiling water to preserve the catechins. Steep at 160–180 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 to 82 degrees Celsius, for 2–3 minutes. Matcha, powdered green tea, offers an even more concentrated dose of antioxidants and L-theanine. Swap a daily coffee or sugary drink for green tea to hydrate, protect your brain, and support your metabolism, all in one cup. Number 4, cocoa. Not candy bars, but pure cocoa powder or high-percentage dark chocolate. These are packed with flavonols, powerful antioxidants. Cocoa flavonols improve blood flow by helping arteries relax, lowering blood pressure, and supporting heart health. Better circulation also means more oxygen to your brain, boosting cognitive function and protecting against age-related decline. Cocoa can lower LDL cholesterol oxidation and thin the blood, reducing heart attack and stroke risk. It's also a natural mood booster. Cocoa contains compounds that trigger endorphins and the bliss molecule, an anandamide. Plus, it's rich in magnesium, which helps you relax and manage stress. Use unsweetened cocoa powder in smoothies, oatmeal, or healthy hot chocolate, or enjoy a square of 70% plus dark chocolate. Just a little each day can protect your heart, sharpen your mind, and lift your mood. Delicious medicine from the cacao bean. Number 5. Vitamin D and zinc. These two essential nutrients are crucial for a strong immune system, yet many people are deficient, especially in vitamin D. Vitamin D, made in your skin from sunlight, acts more like a hormone and is vital for immune cell function and balance. Low vitamin D increases your risk of infections. Supplementation can help prevent colds and flu. Zinc is a mineral your body can't store, so you need it daily. It's key for immune cell development and helps stop viruses from replicating. Zinc lozenges at the first sign of a cold can shorten its duration. Together, vitamin D and zinc prime your immune system, reduce infection risk, and support bone, hormone, and overall health. Get vitamin D from safe sun exposure, fatty fish, or supplements. Get your levels checked for the right dose. Find zinc in oysters, red meat, legumes, seeds, and nuts, or take a supplement, but don't overdo it, as too much can cause problems. This duo is foundational for your body's defenses and vitality. There you have it, 5 powerful, science-backed natural medicines hiding in plain sight. These aren't just old wives' tales, they're proven tools to complement a healthy lifestyle and modern care. The goal isn't to reject medicine, but to expand your toolkit and take charge of your well-being. Start with 1 or 2 remedies that resonate with you. Add garlic and turmeric to meals, swap coffee for green tea, or enjoy dark chocolate. Small, consistent changes add up to big results over time. If you found this helpful, subscribe and share with someone who needs it. Let's empower each other to live healthier, more vibrant lives.